Replacing your toilet is something you can do yourself in about an hour or two. Before you begin, measure the distance from the wall to the bolts on your existing toilet. It should be 12 inches. If it isn't, talk to a Menards plumbing team member about what your options are. Shut the water off at the supply valve and flush the toilet. Wearing rubber gloves, remove any remaining water in the tank and bowl with a sponge. Now disconnect the supply line from the bottom of the tank. Remove the caps and nuts that hold the toilet to the floor. Cut any caulk between the bowl and floor. You can separate the tank from the bowl by taking out the nuts and bolts from the bottom of the tank and remove each one separately. Use a scraper to remove the old wax ring from the toilet flange. Use a rag to plug the drain pipe to keep sewer gas from entering the room. If you're installing new flooring, the level of the flange may be too low. Use a build-up kit to raise the level of the flange to the level of the flooring. Replace the flange bolts with new ones and you're ready to start installation. Turn the toilet bowl upside down on something soft. Place the new wax ring on the base of the toilet. Press firmly to hold it in place. Remove the rag from the drain pipe. Carefully lift the new toilet bowl over the flange until the holes line up with the bolts and lower it into place. Press straight down on the wax ring until the toilet sets into place. Sit on the bowl if necessary. Place the included washers over the bolts and only hand tighten the nuts into place. Attach the new tank to the bowl with the rubber gasket and bolts provided. Tighten the bolts evenly so the tank is level and secure, but don't over-tighten or you may crack the tank. Check to make sure everything is properly aligned. Now you can tighten the bolts at the bottom of the bowl. Make sure the toilet is secure, but don't over-tighten. Install the toilet seat. Now you're ready to reconnect the supply hose to the tank and turn the water back on. Set the fill valve according to the manufacturer's instructions. Flush the toilet several times and check for any leaks. If desired, you can add a bead of caulk between the base of the toilet and the floor.